Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I'm Nessie, and yeah, it's been a while since I made I recorded my last video, but today I'm going to show you how you can earn 200% affiliate commissions with the OLSP system. Okay, a lot of programs, a lot of platforms in affiliate marketing, they try to copycat Wencrow's platform with the 200% commissions concept, but he's the original. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can earn 200% affiliate commissions. So first of all, you can see that 568 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. Right now I have 261 available commissions, and if I go to my commissions, you can see that I already made $2,275 from OLSP system, my total earnings. Okay, and my available balance for withdrawal is $231. Now, this is how you can earn 200% affiliate commissions. It's about two products, the most sold products in OLSP system. The Megalink, which is the basic product that if you go back in my channel, you can see I made a few videos about the Megalink, which is the basic product of OLSP, and it costs $7. Okay, so basically you can earn 200% affiliate commissions on the Megalink and on the Magic Link. It's also a high converting product in OLSP, the Magic Link and the Megalink. They are both, by the way, they are both $7, so you can earn on both. Let me show you how you can do that. Now, first of all, I have to say, guys, that you need to be a team builder. You need to be, all the links will be under this video. You can join my team. I would love to help you. So you can see the Megalink is the basic upgrade of OLSP. You can't start making money, earning money without purchasing the Megalink. But you can see I'm a team builder right now. And for earning the 200% affiliate commissions, you need to be a team builder. And by the way, if I go to the leaderboards, you can see that all the people here, all the people that you can see here that are participating in the monthly prizes on the leaderboard, they are all either team builders or VIP. But the VIP is much more expensive than the team builder. So in my opinion, my advice is that if you want to really start making money with the OLSP, I advise you to start with the team builder. Yes, of course it costs more than the Megalink, but you can earn from tier 2 commissions. With the Megalink, you don't earn tier 2 commissions, so you can build your account, your earnings much faster if you are a team builder. Because let me tell you something frankly, guys. A lot of people join me with, or join in general, join OLSP. They purchase the Megalink, but they say, oh, I only invested $7, and who cares, and they leave, they abandon the program because they only paid $7. So team builders and VIPs are the people that really are going to, all the way in and all in, and are the big action takers. The people that purchase the Megalink, they say, okay, so I paid $7 and who cares, it's not a big deal. So let me show you how you can earn 200%. Okay, so let's say Joe joined me, and Joe is from USA, and I'm a team builder, as I said. And Joe wants to join me, and he purchases the mega link. Okay, he purchases the mega link with $7, and I earn $14. I earn 200% affiliate commissions because Joe is from USA. Now, for instance, let's say, and Joe is, of course, is on my tier 1. But let's say Joe is from England, okay, from London. Sorry, from France. So he's not in tier 1 countries, okay? So he's just, let's say he lives in France. So I will still earn $7, okay? I will still earn 100% affiliate commission, which is not bad, right? Okay, so I either earn 100% or 200% on the mega link and on the magic link, on 2 products. We have a lot of products in OLSP, and also iTicket products, but we don't earn, to be frankly, we don't earn 200% or not even 100%, but you know, but on the front end products we earn 200% affiliate commissions if the person is coming from tier 1 countries. Tier 1 countries in affiliate marketing are USA, Canada, England, Australia, and New Zealand. Okay? Now, this is the best part. This is how you can earn 200% on level 2, on your level 2 teammates. So let's say Susan is joining Joe. Joe is on my tier 1, Susan is joining on tier 2. Now, because I'm a team builder, I'm entitled to earn 200% commissions on tier 2, commissions. And let's say Susan lives in United States. So I make another $14 for a sale that I personally didn't make, because Joe invited Susan, she's his friend, and he makes $7 or $14, depends if he's also a team builder. But either way, you will make $7 for sure. He will make 100% if he has only the mega link, and if he's a team builder, he will earn $14. Also, you will earn also $14, and guess what? I'm also making $14 passive income because I don't know Susan personally, but Joe invited her, and she bought the mega link, and I earned $14. I earned 200% commissions on tier 2 affiliates. Okay, so so 200% on tier 1 commissions and 200% commissions on tier 2 for team builders. This is only for team builders. If you have only the mega link, you can only earn from tier 1. You can't earn passive income from tier 2 commissions. Okay, that's the big difference. So if you would like to join me as a team builder, there are 2 options to join me. I purchased the lifetime. You can purchase the lifetime. Of course, the training that comes with the you get a lot of much more training with the team builder from what we get with the mega link, and of course you get a big commission bump, much more than what you get with the mega link, of course. And you can also get you get an autoresponder, which you don't need to pay if you purchase the lifetime membership with the team builder. You don't have any monthly fee. Okay, you don't have any subscriber monthly pay. You don't need to pay on a monthly basis. So if you want to join me as a team builder, I will leave the link under this video, and you can see that you can go through all the what you are getting with the team builder level, and it's $997 for lifetime access. Okay, $997. If you want to pay monthly, the other option is you can join me. You can join with the mega I will put my landing page to the Megalink 2.0. You can just sign up, and after you sign up, they will create your account and will send you the password. After they send you the password, what you need to do, if you don't want to join as with the lifetime, you want to join with a monthly membership just to test the water, you can join. So you click on the link under this video, you open, they will send you the password. You need to log in. Okay, once you log in, after you log in, you go to step 2. Okay, you go to step 2, and you click on complete step 2. Okay, and you can purchase, and you can become a team builder monthly with a monthly fee of $97 per month. So instead of $997, you can start with the monthly team builder, and you get all these. You get everything you see here. It's included in the team builder monthly. Mega AI. There are new tools that Gwen is going to introduce us. I don't know what is the Mega AI. It's still under under preparations. So, but you get all these. You get much bigger. You get the Mega Messenger. You get the Mega Builder. You get vertical video domination. You get a lot of the TOEFL method itself. It's huge. The training there, you will become a professional on social media networks. Just the TOEFL, and the TOEFL method is not included in the Megalink. This is a super advanced training for affiliate marketers. Okay, so you can join with the 997. I will leave also the link for the landing page for the Megalink 2.0, and you can sign up, and then you go through the, as I said, to step 2, complete step 2, and purchase the 97. So, and by the way, if you join me as a team builder, guys, you can get you can invite your teammates or prospects, and I'm helping you to build a team, because to help you to get a lot of, to build your team faster. So everybody who wants to join me can jump on a Zoom call whenever they want with their prospects, and I'm helping you to get a lot of customers and affiliates to join you. So this is so I will leave my Facebook information under this video, so you can contact me, and you can schedule a Zoom call or a Microsoft Team call. And yeah, so in my honest opinion, if you want to make serious money with the OLSP, you need to jump on the next level, and to earn tier 2 commission. This is, you can build your account much faster. I'll make another video, I guess, on more advanced video about team builders, but this is for now, guys. So hope you like this video. If you have any more questions on how to earn 200 affiliate commissions, just comment under this video and ask your questions, and I'll be happy to assist you. So yeah, team builder is the best way to start. And you see all the people that you see on the leaderboards, they are team builders. Okay, they are team builders or VIP. These are real action takers, because this is if you want to make money online, you need to show up every day, and you need to be an action taker. You need to invest. You need to invest money, and you need to invest time. And you can go back and watch all my previous videos. I made quite a lot of videos about OLSP, so you can go back and watch my previous videos. Okay, and tier 2 commissions is very powerful, very powerful. The 200% commissions on tier 1 and tier 2. This is how you can build your account much faster. And by the way, this is also important. If you start a OLSP straight with the team builder, you also save the $7. You don't need to purchase the Megalink. You can start straight from the team builder. So the Megalink is also with your landing pages and everything. It's already included in the team builder, of course. So so you save the $7. You don't need to purchase the the mega link or even the magic link, because it's already included in the team builder. So I hope you like this video, guys. Join my team. If you have any questions, you can message me on Facebook, and let's team up, let's make money. See you in my next video. Cheers. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please give me a like. Cheers. Bye bye, guys.